Today we're smoking chicken thighs on the pellet grill. Check it out. So this recipe is going to be very simple. All we're using are chicken thighs and Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. So you could use any kind of chicken for this. I used to use boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but I actually prefer to use a bone-in, skin-on chicken thigh. What I'll do is debone it and then season it and wrap it up in its skin when I throw it on the smoker. This will go on a smoker, the pellet grill smoker, for about 2 hours until we get internal temperature of 170 or so, 165, 170 with chicken thighs. So what we start off doing is to debone it. So you're spending a little extra money, or a little less, but you're spending more time. So you're going to spend a little bit of extra time, save a little bit of money by getting the bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. And it does take a little bit of time to get them deboned. And you're going to lose some meat, but I'm sure you lose a lot when you buy them pre-deboned. Anyways, we'll use this, keep it off to the side. I'll put it in a bag, freeze it, shrink wrap it, freeze it, and keep it as chicken stock. So when Shannon wants to make her chicken and dumplings, we have chicken stock all ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to all 6 thighs, and then we'll season them. Okay, now we're all deboned, so the next step is to season them. So we're just going to put a liberal amount of the Cavender's on here. So we always do the inside first. So I'll sprinkle some on the inside. We'll flip it over, do the outside. And really it doesn't matter which one you do first. I'll roll it up. Now see, I can wrap this skin around here. So one of the main reasons I like to have the skin wrapped around the chicken thigh is it protects the meat when it's slow cooking. I'm going to cook this on a pellet grill at about 250 degrees. Let it slow cook in there. It'll take about 2 hours to get it done. And with the skin wrapped around there, the skin will get a little crispy and it'll keep the meat from drying out. And then you're going to have a nice, tender, juicy, with a little bit of crispy skin on your chicken thigh. And this comes out delicious. And what I do with these is I'll cut them up, shrink wrap them, and freeze them. I usually put 2 per bag, and that way I pull them out as a snack. For me, it's a snack. You know, just pull it out, throw it on a plate. You know, I'll have them cut up into bite-sized pieces, and I'll put some hot wing sauce on it, or just eat it the way it is. Or we can put it in a salad. Anytime you need some chicken, you got it ready to go. But generally I just use it for me. This is it'll be a lunch, whatever. So it's kind of like, you know, we're meal prepping here. It's a nice source of protein. It's good flavor. It holds up well, and chicken thighs, you can reheat them and they stay juicy. Unlike, for me, a chicken breast, it gets too dry. I don't like it reheated. So generally I stick with the chicken thighs. My wife, she prefers the chicken breast. But she will eat this. She'll eat it on her salad, or we could even put it in like a chicken Alfredo, or really pretty much anything. And if you don't like the seasoning, obviously you do whatever seasoning you like the best. And for me, I like the Cavender's. The Cavender's is really, I don't know, it's got a great flavor to me. I like the mix of spices in there. Not sure what they are, but they're good. Okay, let's take these out to the smoker. We'll throw them on a smoker. They'll get that nice indirect heat for about 2 hours. Check our temps. And then we'll take them in, let them cool, and we'll cut them up. We'll see you soon. At this point in the video, I lost my audio, so I'm going to have to talk over this one. So we're just putting the chicken thighs on the smoker. I put them around the outside so they're away from the direct heat. The fire pot's right in the middle. So put them around the outside. We'll let it go for about an hour or two. We'll check the temps periodically. We'll see you soon. Our chicken is rested for about an hour or so. We take it out and we're gonna trim it up. So we want to turn this into this. So what we do is we cut it up, shrink wrap it, and freeze it. Then when you're ready to eat it, it's ready to go. So I like to cut the chicken like this. Just cut. I think it's time to sharpen my knife. So like I said, I do 2 at a time. Put 2 chicken thighs in one bag. Here's what that looks like. There's 2 chicken thighs in here. Freeze them. And they're good to go, man. Sometimes I eat them when I have a long cross country. I bring them, put them in the cooler, eat them while I'm going. No big deal. And that's it. I'll cut the rest of these up, shrink wrap them, freeze them, and I'm good to go for another week. You guys have a great day.